In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize data labels in Power BI. Whether you're a seasoned Power BI user or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use and personalize data labels can significantly enhance your visualizations and make your data story more compelling. So, let's dive in. First, to add and enable data labels, you need to start in Power BI Desktop. Once you're there, select the visual you want to work with. This could be a bar chart, column chart, line chart, or any other visual that suits your data presentation. Once you've chosen your visual, direct your attention to the right pane where you will find the Visualizations section. In this section, you'll see a Format tab, which is represented by a paint roller icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the formatting options. Here's where you'll find the ability to turn on data labels. Scroll down through the options until you locate the data labels setting. There's a simple toggle switch next to it. You'll want to flip this toggle to the on position. Immediately, you'll notice that numeric values, or whatever measure is represented on your y-axis, start appearing directly on your visual. This is a fantastic way to make your data more explicit and easier for viewers to interpret at a glance. Now that you've successfully added the data labels, let's explore how you can customize them to fit your visualization style and your audience's needs. One of the first customizations you can make is to the position of the labels. Depending on your visual and how you want to present your data, you might choose to place your labels inside the end, inside the center, or inside the base. This flexibility allows you to position your labels in a way that is most visually pleasing and effective for your presentation. Next, consider adjusting the font, size, color, and transparency of the labels. This ensures that your data labels are not only readable, but also match the overall aesthetic of your report. For instance, if your report background is dark, you might opt for a lighter font color to increase visibility. Another useful feature is the ability to set display units. If your audience predominantly needs to see figures in thousands or millions, you can set these units to be the default view on your labels. Additionally, you can decide how many decimal places you want to show, helping to maintain a clean and professional appearance. Lastly, let's talk about the background behind the labels. Sometimes, adding a colored box behind the data labels can greatly enhance their readability, especially if your chart is colorful or busy. This simple addition can ensure that your data labels stand out, allowing your viewers to comprehend the data with ease. And there you have it. By effectively using and customizing data labels, your Power BI visuals can tell a clearer and more impactful story. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful in creating more effective Power BI reports.